Hi, welcome to John Griffin Photography's channel. I've got something a little bit different for you today, and that is a review on a refurbished DJI Mavic Mini 2. It's the Fly More combo. I thought this might be a little bit handy for people, as refurbished drones don't get much attention on social media or YouTube. This is my second refurbished drone. I bought a Mavic Air 2 last year from the same company off eBay, and I mean, it's a great drone. I still fly it now, love it to bits. So have a look, see what you think. I'm up in the beautiful Welsh countryside today, so little bit different for you. Most reviews are done in fields or plain fields, but I thought I'd take you somewhere special, show you the beauty that we have in this great country. You have to excuse the angle that I'm shooting at. It's quite early in the morning, it's about 9:30. The sun is very bright, so if I don't do it at this angle, you're just going to see a shadow, which to be fair, I've got a face more for radio than YouTube, so it's not all bad. So what comes with the set? You've got your carry case, the Mavic Mini 2 with the gimbal guard and the prop guard for transport, the new style remote. I much prefer this one. It's got that built-in grip, built-in antennas. It's a little bit bigger. It feels more like you're controlling a drone with it. And obviously a charger and the 3 batteries. You also get spare props, screwdriver, and a quick setup guide as well. You can download the manual online if you want to.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So the first one I'm going to try is a flyover. So I'm basically just going to fly it over myself and then do a couple of turns and see how the controller responds. So it's flying nicely. It's got good control. You know, it turns well, the responds well, everything you'd expect from a DJI. The next one we're going to do a height test. Going to see how high we can get. When I've gone above 50 meters in this area before now, I do tend to lose signal, so let's just see what we get. So that's all test flights done. Everything went fine. I lost signal at one point, but I just landed it and let it cool down a little bit. It'd been flying for about 20 minutes, so it was probably getting a little bit warm, although it's freezing up here. Typical Welsh weather. But everything went well. It flew exactly as I would expect the DJI to. There were no issues at all. The controls were great. Everything felt fine. The one thing that I was thinking about earlier is, you know, that feel you get when you buy a new drone and it feels fresh, and every little touch you can feel something new on either the drone or the controller. It's exactly what I got with the Refurb. I mean, normally if you get handed a second-hand drone or maybe one that you had for a couple of years and you get it out, you can feel that it's being used and it's not new. But you don't get that feel with this at all. It feels like it was bought out of a shop, which was great. So as I say, I'm going to go off and find somewhere nice to fly now once the haze has disappeared, and I will add the postage on in a little bit. That was great fun, loved it, absolutely loved it. I haven't had that much fun with my clothes on for a long time. Obviously February 2021 we're in the middle of a COVID pandemic, so in Wales we're in lockdown. Get out for exercise, so that's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. As far as the drone goes, it flew really well. It flew like a new drone would. It looks like a new one, it feels like a new one. There were no issues with it connecting to the remote or to the app. Everything worked in sync together. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with the money I saved, and I'm happy with the drone that I bought. If you do decide to go for one, just make sure that you choose a company that are a recognised refurbished company. Only because the last thing you want to do is end up buying a second-hand one rather than a refurb. Try and go for an A1 class refurb, because they're the ones that are going to look as close to as new as you're going to get. If you go for A2, you're more likely to get a little bit of dirt, in-ground dirt. Could be a couple of cracks in the casings and so on. So an A1 refurbished drone will do you good. So I've enjoyed making the video. It's been a bit of a challenge because none of my cameras would do it, so I've ended up recording it on a phone. So I do apologise for the quality if it's bad. Check out my other videos. Most of them are of flights that I've done around Wales and a little bit in England. And I shall speak to you soon. Take care, bye.